Let's dive into division. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with me, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an exciting math quest. Alright team, let's start our division adventure with the first digit of 454. We're bringing down the 4 to start our first division step. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. Now we subtract 4 minus 4 equals 0, easy peasy. You got this, that was a fantastic first step. We've got more digits to go, so let's keep this amazing energy going. Now for the next digit, we bring down the 5 to join our remainder. We combine the remainder 0 with the digit 5, making it 5. How many times does 2 go into 5? It goes in 2 times. Let's multiply 2 times 2 is 4, that's our number. Subtracting 4 from 5 leaves us with 1, nicely done. You're doing so great, keep up the awesome work. One more digit to tackle, let's move on to the next step. Last digit alert, we bring down the 4 next to our remainder 1. Our new number is 14, let's see how many times 2 fits into it. 2 fits into 14 exactly 7 times, you're a math whiz. Time to check, 7 times 2 equals 14, exactly right. Subtract 14 from 14 and we get 0, we're almost there. Woohoo, you absolutely crushed that step. And that's it, we've divided 454 by 2, you did it. We found that 454 divided by 2 is 227. Great job, everyone! We successfully divided 454 by 2 using the steps of long division. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you're all doing an amazing job. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out our other videos for more math fun on Let's Stud.